Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox, take a close-up look and taste the Zaghis Pandorino. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a loaf of Zaghis Pandorino, and just taking a look at the details that's on the box packaging. So on the side of the box there is some nutrition information or nutritional data, and taking a look at the bottom or underside of the box of this 80-gram loaf of Zaghis Pandorino. So we can see there is a list of ingredients in a few languages. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by tearing apart the bottom and folding out the flaps, and now taking a look directly inside of this Zaghis Pandorino box. So let's slide out the Pandorino from its box, and we can close the box back up. And let's set the box to the side, so we're just going to set it on the right hand side of the tabletop. And now giving you a look at the Pandorino in its clear plastic packaging, and then giving you a full and clear look as well, just resting on the tabletop. Alright, and now once again taking a closer in look at the loaf, so we can see that it is sealed up in this clear plastic bag or wrapper. Now let's go ahead and open it up by tearing apart the bag or wrapper, and instantly I can smell the aroma of the Pandorino. So let's take it out from its plastic bag and giving you a look at this 80-gram loaf of Zaghis Pandorino, and giving you some close-up looks as well. So top down you can see the details and texture of this Pandorino. So overall right there, and once again that aroma of the Pandorino just wafting around, and giving you a look from the bottom as well. So a look at the details of this Zaghis Pandorino, and we can see the overall colouring as well, lighter at the top and darker at the bottom. So you can see that browning at the bottom, and of course to give you some sense of its size, resting the Pandorino in my palm. So once again 80 grams of Pandorino here. And once again giving you another look from a different angle or perspective, and just rotating it around so you can see the overall details of this Italian Christmas cake. And now let's go ahead and tear it apart, or tear it open, and giving you a look at the inside details, so we can see the leavening of the loaf of Pandorino and the colouring as well. So the colours inside with a rich yellow colour, and you can see the crust as well, or the edge of the Pandorino. So consistent right throughout. And now I'm going to tear off a piece and taste it. really soft and moist, and with that scent or aroma of vanilla. So very smooth, melts away in one's mouth. Now let's tear out a larger piece and taste it. So giving you a look right there as well. Once again, at the details. So really soft, fluffy, and with that smooth and gentle vanilla aroma to it. So that's the Zaghis Pandorino. Thanks for watching and happy eating!